Sir, I didn't got the portion paper yet for
Oh,
midterms.
okay, okay. You didn't get the syllabus as well.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, please ask them, right? Because you have to prepare and then you need time to prepare. So please ask them that what is going to be the in the class you can. Oh, but yeah, so there's still vacations time. So yeah, whenever in the first class, not in the first class, in the second or third class, you ask what is the syllabus, right? Then then we can prepare according to that. Okay, and Tejasvi, are you coming in the backup classes? So you were not there, right?
Yes, sir. Last time I wasn't there.
Yeah, please be there, right? Because
Yes, sir.
we are doing interesting questions, right, Abir?
Yes,
So today
sir.
will be the backup class, right?
Yeah, so we can
Can I
have
have
what?
the timings?
Yeah, timing is 6:30 KSA, which
Okay,
is
sir.
uh, which is 9 p.m. IST and 7:30 UA. Okay, there would be lots of people, right? So from the first and second batch. Yeah, it's already 7 minutes and okay, Amar. So yes, Amar, are you Amar Tabassum? Okay, so let's wait for Amira and rest of the people. Ah, yeah. What about the homeworks, guys? So let me check who has.
Sir, I've sent.
Yeah, Abir has it, right. So sec theta plus tan theta equals to 1. Sec theta plus tan theta is minus, right? So good. Minus. Good, good. Yeah. So okay, who has just joined? Amira has it. Yeah. So you have done this sixth, fifth problem, sixth problem you did, right?
Assalamualaikum, sir.
Walaikum salam, Amira. Walaikum salam. How are you, Amira?
Alhamdulillah, sir. How are you?
I'm good. I'm good. What about the homeworks? So I'm sorry, guys. I'm bothering you with the homeworks, but yeah. Yes, Amira. What about the homeworks?
Sir, I will send it by today, okay?
Okay, okay. So you forgot.
No, sir, I'm just preparing for the tests.
Oh, yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, okay, okay, right. Because on 25th or 26th. So on 25th of August, you have the exam, right?
No, sir. The date was from the 27th.
27. Okay,
Yes.
good, good. Because in the backup class today, I will complete, not complete, but the conceptual part at least, I will complete. Quadratic equation, I will complete, and then, yeah. So the triangles, you try to solve all the question in the triangles part that we did in the class, and then if you face any problem, then ask. Okay, Amira.
Yes, sir. Inshallah, sure.
Okay, and yeah, so you have tried all these questions, Abhi, right? 5, 6, 7, 8. Good. So tan theta is 6 by x. uh, So 6x.
Yes, sir. The last three were all of the same kind. I needed some help with the fifth one, but then after that I was able to solve on my own.
Oh, good, good. So now you are coming into the zone, right? So now
Yes.
you are in your zone. Now you have achieved your zone, right? Good. Okay, so let us start what we were because Val's still not here, right? And yeah, so we now did you practice all these questions?
Yes, sir.
Now is it clear or still confused?
A little bit, but I will try solving it today.
Yes, yes, yes. Try it, right, right. Because if you face any problem, then we are here, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so good. So we were doing this problem, right? Where is Faz? And Shires is also not here. But Amar is here, so I cannot. Okay, so this much we did, right? Any confusion, any doubt up to this point? Okay, so let me start from the beginning. So this was the question, right? This is not P, but this is 1. So this was the question, and only the left hand side is solvable, right? So what we did, we just changed this tan theta every trigonometric ratio in the form of sine and cos. And then we solved these, and then we got this one was the crucial point. So sine theta minus cos theta and cos theta minus sine theta. So these had only the difference of minus. So I had taken out minus common. And then the LCM, then we took the LCM, and then we got this quantity. So after that, Faz or Abhi, who told me this? Oh, Faz told me about this identity, right? AQ minus PQ.
Yes, sir.
Then we solved this and then we reached here, right? So then we use the property of this identity and then we reached here. So now whenever we are at this point, because the time was up, so now what should we do from here? Because the answer is we have reached the answer. What should we do? So whenever we reach here, we just separate these two terms. Yes, yes. So what did you say, Abhi?
So we need to separate the terms.
Yes. So separate the terms. Good. So this is sine theta, cos theta, and sine theta, cos theta. So this one cancel. This is 1. And let me write it in the, because this is plus, so I can write it in the 1 plus 1 by sine theta is what? Yes, 1 by sine theta is what, guys?
1 plus 1
No,
plus
no.
sec theta.
1 by sine theta, 1 by sine theta.
1 by sine theta is sec theta.
Sec theta. And okay, so
Or
Abhi is
cosec
saying,
theta.
okay. So now Abhi has changed his answer, her answer to cosec theta. So is this correct, guys?
Yes, sir, it's cosec theta.
Good. And Tejasvi, what about you? Is this cosec theta, Amar? Okay, if you are here, Amar, maybe Amar has joined and then went somewhere else. So, okay, this is cosec theta, right, Tejasvi?
Yes, sir.
This is cosec theta, and what is 1 by cos theta? Yes,
Sec theta.
sec theta, right? So this is the right answer. This was this question. Okay, only the crucial point was this one, the sign. So I guess I didn't give you guys the time to note this part. So please note it down, right? Note this down and this point also. So sine theta minus cos theta, and this was cos theta minus sine. So this I wrote as minus of sine theta minus cos theta, right? Or let me write it correctly. So this was minus of cos theta plus sine theta. Then I rearrange this minus of sine theta minus cos theta. This was the crucial. Any doubt in this question, guys? Yes, Amar. Okay, so you are still here. Yeah, we are in the next class, Amar. Yes. Hello, Amar. I can. Okay, so now Amar came back. Right. Okay, whenever you guys want me to scroll down the screen, then please tell. So, whose turn was it? This question? Was this my question? Yes,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
So it was
Yes.
your
Okay.
question.
Okay. Then next is so are you ready or are you prepared, Tejasvi?
Yes, sir.
Good, good. So now Tejasvi has come. Good. So now the next question is for Tejasvi. Right?
No,
And you
sir.
yeah, noted. Okay. So you guys start preparing for your exams, right? We have completed all the portions. So you guys please start, right? Because this is 23rd August and then your school will open soon. So yeah, and whenever you guys are facing some problems in the questions, so please feel free to ask.
Noted, sir.
Noted, everyone? Noted.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, done.
Okay, so now next question. Who has Shresh? Oh, Shresh. Hello, hi, Shresh. Hello, hello,
Good evening,
Shresh.
sir.
Good evening. You are late, 18 minutes late, right?
Actually, I had my last appointment with my doctor due to which I am late.
Oh, okay. And how did it go? Everything well? Everything good?
Very well,
Hopefully,
sir.
good, good. Thank God. Shukr Allah. Very- Yeah, now you can prepare for the exams, right? Without thinking about the health problems that you had. So the God was testing you a lot, and then you have passed that
Sir,
test.
my exams are from day after tomorrow.
Oh, day after tomorrow. And how many chapters are there
In maths,
in maths? Yes, in maths.
nine.
Nine. So which maybe the probability is the ninth chapter, right?
Yes, sir. First to
So
eight and then probability.
okay, so we are doing this. Okay, so what I will do is that you start revising all those chapter, right? Because
Yes, sir.
we already know the concepts from 1 to 8. We have completed that part, right? So what I will do is
Um,
that, yes,
sir, I have problem with quadratic, coordinate, and trigo.
Rigo. So in the backup class, I'm starting quadratic equation. So please be there. And yes, Abhi, Tejasvi, and Amira, please let me give some time so that I can discuss Shreyas problems. Okay. So yes, what is the problem, Shreyash?
Actually, sir, uh, I'm not able to understand the quadratic. The biggest major my math issue is quadratic.
Quadratic. Oh, so in the backup class, we'll discuss the quadratic equations. But in trigonometry, what is the doubt that you have? What are the doubts in trigonometry? In this class, let us discuss trigonometry.
Sir, actually, I have solved RD Sharma trigonometric
Yes.
ratios exercise 10 and 11, and I got some doubts.
Oh, so what are the doubts that you have? Can you send me those
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, please,
Yes, sir.
please send me those problems. Write it in the chat box and let's see. Okay.
Sure.
Yeah. So let us see the prop. So what are, so is that trigonometric identity or trigonometric ratio only?
Sir, ratio.
Ratio. So in ratio you have some problems. And are you going through the latest syllabus? Because in the latest syllabus we don't have complementary angles. We don't have
Yes, sir.
yeah. So please follow the latest syllabus, right? Don't go beyond the syllabus. Otherwise, yeah, it would be difficult to complete all those portions. Okay, so in the meanwhile, you find out those problems. So let us discuss. Yeah, fourth problem, right? Tejasvi.
Yes, sir.
So 1 plus sec a and divided by sec a and then sine square a and 1 minus cos. Okay, so as the hint is saying, right? So we have to simplify LHS and RHS separately. So first, let us take LHS. So what will you write in the LHS left hand side? We have to write it in the yes.
1 plus sec a
No, we have to
by
write all the trigonometric ratio in the form of sine A and cos A. So 1 plus what? Yeah. Yes. One we have to write sec A. Sec A is the reciprocal of what?
Mhm.
Yeah, don't worry. So if it is yeah, you are not recollecting or not remembering those. So we have studied, right? How many months we have studied? So this has been 4 to 5 months, right? So we don't hesitate in answering any of the questions, right? So please don't bother about the right or wrong answer. Okay.
yes, sir.
Yeah. So don't think about that. Yes. What is second? Reciprocal of. So Abir, Amira, you can help, right?
Cos A.
Cos A,
Cos.
right? Cos. So this should be what, Tejasvi?
1 plus cos a.
One by
One.
reciprocal, right?
Okay.
1 by, yes. So, right. And then this is 1 by cos, right?
Yes.
So what do we have? We have this is 1 LCM. Yes. Shreyash, did you get the question?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So please send it in the chat box. So this is this would be what? Tejasvi.
1.
So this is 1 is LCM. So 1 is divided by cos A, which is cos A. Cos A multiplied with 1, right? So cos A. And then plus what? 1 multiplied with what? Yes. LCM we are talking about. What should be here? Tejasvi?
1.
1, right? So why were you hesitating? Okay, good. Because cos divided by cos is 1. So 1 multiplied with 1, right? Now this is 1 by cos A. So this goes in the numerator and this comes in the denominator. So this is 1 plus cos A divided by cos A and multiplied by cos. So this cancels and we have 1 plus cos. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Now let us simplify the RHS. So remember, we have only cos A in the left hand side, only cos A. So what should we do with this sine square A? What should we do with this sine square A, Tejasvi? Because seeing in the left hand side, you have only cos A. So the denominator has cos A. So we'll not touch the denominator, right? The numerator has sine square A, which means that we have to change it to what?
Cos square A.
Ex-
Cos square A. Yes,
Excuse me, sir.
yes, Shreyash.
Sir, can I start my video and show you the question? Actually, the question is too long.
Oh, it's too long. So please take the screenshot and send me, right? Because I am the co-host and then I have to talk the Learnivio team to make you the co-host and then so it's a long process, right? You please take the screenshot of that question and then send it to the chat box, right? Is this okay with you, Shesh?
Sir, actually, a chat option is not showing.
Oh, so yeah, you can. Okay, so in this way you can participant can chat with everyone or host and co-host. Right. So yes, you can send me the. Can you write it in the chat box? Yeah, there is.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. So now please send me the. Right. Yes, please send me. Yeah. So you have this right. Add link or whatever it is. So you can share it here. Okay. Yes. So yes, you are correct, Tejasvi. We have to write sine square in form of cos square. So how can we write that?
1 minus
Absolutely right. Good. So which means that you are revising, right? 1 minus cos square. Good. So now we have all the cos functions here. So now in the answer we have this 1 plus cos, which means that this denominator is getting cancelled somehow. So which means that we have to simplify this term. So how can we simplify this term further? This we have came across so many times, right? Abira,
Yes,
and
sir.
good. Okay, so Abir has the answer. Yes, Tejasvi, did you
yes
get
sir.
the yes? Okay, so how should we solve this? Just see these values. So if I write it like this, then you'll get the answer. Okay, now tell me. Yes, did you get the answer? What should we do next? Yes, Tejasvi. So think about it and tell. Got any clue?
No sir.
So if I say it like this, a square minus b square. Okay, so you are writing the question, Shreyas. So sine theta is a by b. Then we have to prove that. Uh, then show that sec theta plus tan theta is root b plus a. Is this what you are telling, Shreyash? Yes, Shreyash, is this what you are saying or asking? Yes, Shreyash, is this your question? Yes, Shreyash, are you there?
Sir, I have sent the pic too.
Oh, you have okay, so yeah. If the pic is opening, in the meanwhile, let us focus on the yeah. Have I written it correctly? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Good. So we'll come to this question later, but let us finish this one. So Tejasvi, did you get the idea? A square minus B square. Yes, Tejasvi, A square minus B square. What is A square minus B square? Yes. Oh, maybe your mic is not working, Tejasvi. Hello, Tejasvi, can you hear me?
Hello,
Hello?
sir. Can you hear me?
Yes, 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 yes. So what is A square minus B square, Tejasvi? A square minus B square. I guess there is some problem with you.
Hello, sir. Can you
Yeah,
hear
yes,
me?
yes, 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 yes. So after you say, can you hear me? Then your mic stops working, right? Yeah. So you are, yeah, I know that you are saying A minus B, A plus B. So this is A minus B and A plus B, right? So then this is 1 minus cos A. So this one is getting cancelled out and we have 1 plus cos, right? So this is the answer, right? This is equal to LHS. So is this clear, everyone?
Sir.
Okay, everyone, please note it down. Then we'll do the shares question, right? So this is
No,
from
sir.
the yeah. So oh, you guys already noted. Good. So if you guys have already noted it down,
Sir, I
Amira,
have a doubt.
yeah, you have a doubt in which part, Amira? Good,
Sir,
good.
how did you did this sine square is equals to 1 minus cos square A?
Okay, so we are
Like how this 1 minus came?
yeah. So we already know the identities. So what are the identities? Hmm.
Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1.
Yes. So this is first identity, right? What is the second one? Okay, how many? Okay, so 12 and 13 also. Good, good. So if A equals to this, if A equals to 30, right? So these question we'll do in a moment. Okay. Yes. So what is the second identity, guys?
Sec square A minus tan square A is equals to 1.
Yes. And the third one?
Cos sec square A minus cot square A is equals to
Is
1.
equal to 1.
Yes. So now these are the only things that we have to remember. So using this one, right? Sine square, if I want to find out sine square, what would be this? So I take this cos square in the other side. So this is 1 minus cos square. So this is how we get this one. Understood?
Yes, sir. Lamella,
Good, good.
yes.
Yeah, good, good that you guys are clearing out your doubts. So this is okay. So Shreyas has asked three problems. So let us discuss those. Right? Everyone noted this one?
Yes, sir.
Good. So yeah. Okay. So Tejasvi noted it down.
Yes, sir. Can you hear me, sir?
Yeah, your voice is very faint, but we can hear you. Okay, so let us discuss Shreyash's problem because he has an exam day after tomorrow. So let us discuss this problem. So first question is this, that if sine theta, so yeah, so let us deviate from what we are doing currently, right? If you guys, Tejasvi, Amira, and Abir, if you guys excuse me, so let us deviate and do these three problems. So this is first question. Second one is what? Second one is sine. If A is 45 degree, right? If A is 45, then if A is 45 degree, then sine 2A is 2 sine A cos A. So sine 2A is 2 sine A, and cos A, which is what? Which is, and cos 2A is 2 cos square A minus. Cos square A minus 1, which is 1 minus 2 sine square A, which is what? Yeah, which is this. And the 13th problem is A equals to 30. So A equal to 30. So sine 2A is 2 tan A by 1 plus tan square A. Tan A by 1 plus 2 tan square A, right? Or is this 2? 1 plus tan square A would be, right? This is 1 plus tan square A would be. And then we have cos 2A. This is 1 minus tan square A and 1 plus tan square. And then what do we have? And then we have tan 2A is 2 tan A. Tan 2A is 2 tan A and 1 minus tan square. So these are the three questions that Shreya has asked, right? So first question, who will do? Abir will do the first question. Okay, Abir.
Yes, sir.
So sine theta is A by, right? So this is from trigonometric ratio, right? So what we can directly say. So if sine theta is A by B, so what is sine theta?
Perpendicular by hypotenuse, P by H.
H. So what we can tell about the yeah, so this is P by H. So we first draw the right angle triangle. Whenever we get these kind of question, so we draw the triangle, right? B. So
Yes, sir.
this is theta. Okay, this is A, this is B. So you guys quickly calculate what would be this.
No, sir. Hypotenuse is B, right?
Oh yes, yes. So I thought tan theta. Good. So this is this. So you guys quickly calculate what is this this. Quickly calculate. Yes, yes. You also do this problem, right? Because
Yes.
yes, this is how you
The root of B square minus A square.
absolutely right. So everybody getting the same answer? Yes, everyone. Yes, guys. Everybody getting the same answer. Hmm.
Sir, I was
Yes, yes. What are you saying? Yes, Shreyash, what are you saying? Are you saying something, Shreyash? Amira and Tejasvi, did you get base equals to b square minus a square? Everybody's mic is not working. What is happening with everyone's?
I didn't
Right.
understand how she got this.
Yeah, okay. So you have forgotten Pythagoras theorem. So perpendicular square, right? Perpendicular square plus base square. What is this? Hypotenuse square, right?
Yes, sir.
So perpendicular is A, which is A square plus base. We want to find out. Hypotenuse is B. So base square is how much? B square minus A square. So base is root of B.
Okay. Okay, sir, got it.
So this we have done numerous times, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we have this base. So what is sec theta, Abir?
1 by cos.
Yeah, so h, now we are doing a trigonometric ratio, so in terms of p by h and all that, right? What is
H by
sec
B.
h by b, right? And what is tan theta?
P by B.
P by b. So we have to find out sec theta plus tan theta. So sec theta is h by b. H is b, and b is b square minus a square. Correct?
Yes, sir.
And then tan theta is what? Tan theta is p by b. So a by this is b square minus a square. Right.
Yes, sir.
So now you guys see that what do we have in here? So how can we solve it?
Common. Sir, we
Yes.
have a common denominator. So
Yeah. So this is what?
Mm.
B square minus a square. So this would be how much? B plus a. Right.
yes, sir. And we can
So
write B square minus A square as B plus A into B minus A.
absolutely right. But we can also write, so this is root. You are very correct. Good, 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 good.
So we
So you
can
are,
also rationalize since
yeah,
there's root.
yeah. So either we can rationalize it, or what we can, so if I write, this is B plus A. So can I write this as root of B plus A whole square? Can I do that?
Yes, sir.
So let us write it like this. And let us extend this root. Now, if I have this root, so I can write it in this. So is this point clear to everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now what we will do next, Abir? Same thing that we did in this trigonometric identity problem. So what should we do next?
So B square, root of B square plus 2AB plus A square.
No, 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 no. So we have to get this one and this one. So this one we have achieved, right? So we should not touch this quantity as we did in
Oh,
the,
yes, sir.
right, right.
So,
Okay, so I have erased that one, right? So this question that we did, or maybe this one, so exactly this question, right?
yes, sir.
Okay, so what should we do? We should
So
have
B
yes.
plus A into B minus A.
Okay, so this is this is cancelled. So what do we have? B plus A and B minus. This is our RHS. Right, so Abir did this problem, right? Now, who's going to do the second problem? So Tejasvi did not do, did not do this exercise, right? Tejasvi, you joined in the third exercise, right? Tejasvi.
Yes, sir.
So okay, so you are spared. So for this time only. So now Amira, your
Excuse me,
time.
sir.
Yes, yes, Shesh.
Sorry, can you please explain it?
Oh, so did I? Oh, yeah. So which part you didn't understand, Shreyash? This part you understood, right?
Yes, sir.
And this part as well, right?
Yes, sir.
Now the idea is that this is in root and this is without the root. So we cannot simplify this further. So as Amira pointed out, as Abir pointed out that we can rationalize this. So we have to multiply this by b square and something like that. But that is going to be lazy. So what I did was that this is b plus a, right? So what I can do is that I can square it and take the root. So square root of b plus a whole square would be what? This would be b plus a, right? Right? Is this correct, Shreyash? So b plus a into b plus a, and if I take the root, so this is outside. So this is b plus a, right? Is this clear?
Sir, I'm not able.
Okay, so let's see. You have 2, right? So can I write this 2 as root of 2 square? Any,
Yes, sir.
any? So similarly, I have this a. Can I write this a as root of a square?
Yes.
So similarly, I have this a plus b. So can I write this as a plus b whole square?
Yes, sir.
So this is the trick here. So I have written this b plus a as root of b plus a whole square, right? So this was actually root of b plus a whole square divided by root of b square minus a square. Now everything is in root. So I can write it as bigger. Clear? So is this point clear?
Yes, sir.
So now, as Abir pointed out, that we can write this identity as b plus a b minus. So from there, this is getting cancelled and we are getting the answer. Any doubt?
No, sir.
Good. And everyone else? So any doubt? Yeah, you guys also do different assignment problem and then yeah. So if you face any problem, then please ask. So should I erase this part? Everyone noted?
Yes, I noted.
Okay, so now Amira, your turn. Okay, so because we have to be prepared with any kind of question that they can ask, right? In your exam, the question may be different. So you guys have to, because I will not be there, then you guys will have to figure out, because I didn't follow any other, or Abhi didn't follow any other concept that that we have got, right? So we followed the same concept. Okay, Amira, for this question for you. We have A equal to 45 degrees. So we have to prove that sine 2A. So sine of 2A, which is what? Sine of 2 into what? What is A, Amira?
45.
45. So this is 2 into 45. So this is sine 90. What is sine 90?
1.
1. Good. Oh, you remember. Good, good. So which means you are, it means you are revising. Now we have to prove that this is equal to 2 sine A cos A. So RHS is 2 sine A into cos A. So 2 sine of 45 into cos of 45. So what is sine 45, Amira?
1 by root 2.
Good. And cos 45?
1 by root 2.
Okay, so this is root 2, which means 2 by 2, which is 1, which is RH, or this is what? LHS. So this part is by Amira. Okay. Now, Amira, the second part. And the last question. So Shreyas has asked me this question. So Shreyas will do. Right. Right, Shreyas.
Yes.
Okay, so Amira, we have to find out. This is first part. Second part is cos 2a. So what is cos 2a?
Cos 2 into 45.
2 into 45, which is cos 90. What is cos 90?
0.
0. Right. So this is LHS. Now what is RHS? RHS is 2 cos square a minus 1, which is 2 of cos or square of 45. So what is, as we have already told us, so cos 45, right? 1 by root 2 and then square and then minus 1. So this is how much, Amira?
This would be equal to 1 minus.
1, where is 1 minus? No, no, no.
Oh,
So
no, no.
we have to simplify this further, right? So
Yes,
1
sir.
by root 2 square. 1 by root 2 square is what? 1 by 2,
1 by
right?
2.
So, and then minus 1. So 2 cancel. So we have 1 minus 1, which is 0, which is LHS. So this part is right.
Yes, sir.
Now we have another quantity, which is 1 minus, which is the RHS of the RHS, right? So this is RHS of RHS. So 1 minus 2 sine square. So this is, let me do it directly, sine 45. So 1 minus 2 by 2. So which is LHS. So any doubt in this, guys?
No, sir.
Okay, Shresh, understood.
Yes.
Okay, so and Abir and Tejasvi, yeah. So you do into this specific values part. So I'll have
Yes, sir, understood.
understood. Tejasvi, did you
Yes, I understood.
Good, good, good. So yeah, you just go through with some. I was slightly able to solve the above two question, but will not be able to solve the 13. Huh? So at least let us try it together, Shresh. Okay, let us try it together. So did you guys note this down?
Yes, sir.
Just a minute, sir.
Oh, okay,
Understood.
okay, please. Yes, yes, please. And Shresh, be there because we'll start a quadratic equation. So then you can ask about the quadratic equation part. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Done,
At
sir.
9 p.m., sir.
Yes, at 9. Yes, yes. Okay, so Abir did the first problem, second Amira did. Now, Shresh. So third question. We will follow the same process, right? A is 30 degree. This is given. So sine of 2a. Similarly, what would be sine of 2a, Shreyash? Sine of 2 into? Yes,
Sir, sine of 2 into 30.
30. So
60.
this is sine 60. And what is
Sine
sine?
60.
What is sine 60? What is sine 60?
Sir, root 3 by
Root 3 by 2. Absolutely correct. So this is root 3 by 2. Now we have the, so this is LHS. So RHS. RHS is 2 tan of A divided by 1 plus tan square. So 2 of tan of 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. So what is tan 30, Shesh? Yes, what is tan 30? Yes, and
So
yes. So it is okay if you don't, right? Anyone else? What is tan 30?
1 by root 3.
1 by root. So Amira has, yeah, remembered in her fingertips, right? So good. 1 by root 3. So this is, I will directly write 1 by 3. Okay. Is this correct?
uh,
Yes.
sir, actually I knew the correct, but I was a bit confused.
No, no, no. So you can tell me whether it is wrong or right. So don't think about that, right? Okay. So this is this, right? So this is 2 by root 3, and this is 3. Okay. So is this the correct one? Hmm. Because this is 1 by 3. Oh, so this is 3 plus 1 by 3. Right, so this is 2 by root 3 divided by 4 by 3. So this is how much, guys? So this 3 goes in the numerator, this root 3 goes in the denominator. So 2 into 3 divided by 4 into 3. So this is 2. This is how much? This is 3, this is root 3. So what would be in the numerator?
Root 3.
Root 3, right? So this is root 3. So what do we have? Root 3 by 2, which is our LHS. Is this clear, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So the second and the third part, you try, right, at your home, Shesh. And then if you face any problem, so then you can discuss. Okay.
Sure, sir. Thank you, sir.
Why are you saying me thank you? So this is totally forbidden. This is a forbidden word, right? In this class, thank you, sorry. Oh, so sometime I say sorry. But sorry is okay. Thank you is forbidden. Okay. Because yeah, I was about to taste.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, was because I was about to say sorry to Tejasvi, Abir, and Amira that we just deviated from the syllabus, right? So yes, Shreyash has some doubts. So
No, sir, it was a good practice.
oh, good,
Yes,
good.
sir.
Yes. Okay. So now what we were doing, guys? We were solving. So this part Tejasvi solved. Good. And then this is Abhi's question, right? Oh, Abhi is getting the bigger question, right? So, and we don't have any time left.
Yes,
So,
sir.
okay, so yeah, so what we can do? Do we have any simple? So all these questions are the lengthier ones. Okay, so okay, then what we can do is that we can discuss this second part. So in the next class, we'll do the next class. We'll do this one. These three. Or how many do we have? Yeah, 4 questions. So in the next class, we'll do the fourth question, right? Oh, it's already time over. So, okay, so what we'll do